This is our wonderful patient, Sarah. Hi. She was born blind because she was a 3-month preemie. She has congenital glaucoma. She's had over 70 eye surgeries. She's not here because of her eye. She's here because of low back pain, gastritis, constipation. Only goes once a week, terrible sleep, anger issues. Now, what made her case difficult is her blindness made it difficult for me to train her. We did some tests on her. We took some x-rays, saw the problem. I want you to watch her story. It was awesome.
Oh, fuck yeah.